What's going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video, and today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to speed up your PC completely free. No software is required for this. So all the tips I'm going to be showing you guys is very well known. A lot of people already know about this. It's been like the method over the past couple of years, but I'm going to show you guys for anyone who doesn't and is looking to improve their speed on their PC. So the first thing you guys want to do is go to your search bar right here, and you want to search up run. And then once you search up run, you want to type in Prefetch, just like this. So Prefetch, all one word, and then click on OK. So this should come up right here. It's basically going to be a bunch of junk and cache files that are not needed for your computer. I've already deleted it, so delete whatever is in this folder. Once you guys have done that, you guys can go back to the search bar, type in run again. Instead, you guys want to type in %temp%. So, and then click on OK. And then from here, you're going to see a lot of junk files. Obviously, these files are not needed on your computer anymore, so don't worry. It's not going to delete any of your important information that you wouldn't want to lose. So I'm just going to Control All and delete this right here, and then click on Continue. So I would do these steps probably like every couple weeks or so, because you will see files that will appear in this folder. So if you get this cannot be complete because open another program, just click on skip. So I'm gonna do this for all, and there we go. So the next thing you guys want to do is now go back into the search bar, type in run once again, and then you guys want to search up for something called msconfig. Okay. And then once you have this system configuration opened up, you guys want to head to these services. And what you want to do is make sure you have the hide all Microsoft services check, because that will take a ton of space or a ton of usage on your computer. So once you guys have done that, make sure you guys click on apply and then OK. So we're good to go. The next thing we're going to be doing is going back to the search bar, and you guys want to search up for Task Manager. And once you guys have that open up, you guys want to go to the startup section, and from here you want to disable whatever programs you don't want to be opened up automatically when you boot up your computer. So you guys can just go through the list. So something like the OLA VPN, I don't really need that once I boot up my PC, so I'm going to disable that. Some of you guys may have like Spotify that automatically opens up, or like Google Chrome, iTunes, all that stuff. So if you don't want them to open up, make sure you guys have on make sure you guys disable them, and you guys can see right here under the startup impact on how high or low it affects your computer. So this is one of these steps. The next thing we're going to be doing is going back to the search bar, and you want to search up for power options right here, and then click on where it says edit power plan, and then you guys want to go where it says change advanced power settings, and then what you want to do is look for the processor power management. So let's scroll down, you want to open that up. And you're going to see three things right here: the minimum processor state, system cooling policy, and the maximum processor state. So what you want to do is for the minimum processor state, you want to click on the plus, and you want to set it to 0%. So you guys can just click on it and then type in 0. And then for the maximum processor state, you want to click on that and set that to 100. So once you've done that, make sure you guys click on apply and then OK. The next thing we're going to be doing is going to the search bar once again, typing in notifications right here. So you want to go to the notifications and action settings, and you guys can turn whatever notifications you want off. So I just don't really like getting notifications at all on my computer, so I can turn this off. One of the things I found out was the get tips, tricks, and suggestions as you use Windows. Most likely a lot of people already know that, so you guys can check that, and then you guys can go through the list. But you guys see I literally just turned off the entire settings, so you guys can do that if you would like to. So the last thing I'm going to be showing you guys is you want to search up the privacy settings right here. And once you guys have that open up, you guys can go through the entire list right here. So under general, turn off whatever you just don't use or just don't need at all. So the main ones you guys want to look through is the location, the camera, and then the background apps, because obviously this is going to use a lot of usage on your computer if you just have it running in the background right here. So you guys can go through this list right here, like something like Skype, I don't use it all, Office, OneNote. There's no point of having these on if you don't use them, so you might as well turn them off. Same thing if we go through the location right here. If you don't want allow apps to access your location, you guys can just completely toggle that off as well, and then the camera as well. So yeah guys, that's basically it for the video. Hope you guys did enjoy this one. If you guys did, drop a like on it, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. That's basically it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.